Hey boys and girls, today is session 1 of our math. We are doing addition and subtraction word problems this week. So for today, you're going to need 10 counters of some sort. You may use whatever you would like for those counters, and you also need your workbook pages and something to write with. If you don't have those things, go grab them right now, and then we will get started when you're ready. All right, boys and girls, here we go. Let's get started. Let's start with something to warm us up. How many green marbles do they have? You're right, they have 6 green marbles. How many blue marbles do they have? You're right, there are 3. So I want you to use your counters to solve this. So how many are you going to put up here? Or how many are you going to put to show that you have green? You're right, you're going to put 6. How many will you put to show that you have blue? You're right, you're going to put 3. Go ahead and put 6 green marbles and 3 blue marbles and count how many you have in all. All right, boys and girls, now we want to write our addition sentence. So how many green marbles did you have? You're right, you had 6. How many blue marbles? You had 3. And when you use your counters and you put those all together, because when we know when we're adding, we're putting something together, how many did you have? You're right, you had 9 marbles all together. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, it's time for our workbook pages. Here we go. Make sure you have your workbook out and ready. So you should find your page that looks just like this. What I want you to do is I want you to put 9 counters on your page. Put 9 counters on your page. Ooh, did you get those 9 all counted out? Now, what I want you to do is divide those counters into 2 groups. You can divide them however you want. Divide them into 2 different groups. All right, boys and girls, I have my counters on my page. So now I'm going to divide them into 2 groups, just like you did. So I divided my counters into 2 groups. Now I need to write my number sentence to show this. So I have how many over here? I have 6. How many over here? I have 3. If I have 6 and 3, how many do I have in all? You're right, I have 9 in all. I want you to write the number sentence that shows how you divided yours up. All right, boys and girls, let's do another one. So put your counters all back together again, just like Miss Martin did. Now divide them back into 2 groups, but I want it to be a different group than you did last time. Can you divide them differently than you did last time? All right, now it's Miss Martin's turn. I'm going to just put 1 over here. So now let's write our number sentence for mine. How many here? 8 plus 1 equals 9. I want you to go ahead and write the number sentence that matches how you divided your counters up. Nice job, boys and girls. Awesome job writing those equations. So now we're turning to our next workbook page, and this time we're not putting together. What are we doing? You're right, we are taking away, we are subtracting. I want you to put 8 counters on your 10 frame. Put 8 counters on your 10 frame for me. All right, boys and girls, I have my 8 counters. Do you have your 8 counters on your page? Awesome job. So now I would like you to take away 3. Let's all take away 3. I'm just going to set mine over here to the side so I can see how many I take away. Now, did we put together or take away? You're right, this time we're taking away, so we have to write a subtraction sentence. Boys and girls, how many? We know our first number is how many I started with. How many did I start with? 8. How many did I take away over here? 3. And how many are left? 5. Ooh, can you write that number sentence just like me, boys and girls? Awesome job. All right, when you have your number sentence written, I want you to get those counters put back on your page. Nice work. All right, this time, I want you to take away 6. Can we all take away 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, boys and girls, let's write our number sentence. How many did we start with? You're right, we started with 8. How many did we take away? We took away 6. And how many are left? You're right, there are 2 left. So 8 take away 6 equals 2. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, we are going to head to our next page. All right, let's see. Hey, boys and girls, so we want to be on our vocabulary page, and we want to look at those words in the middle. It says, in all. So we want to draw 4 pictures that show how many in all. So here's a story, and I'm going to draw a picture to show how many in all. So I had 3 balls. My sister gave me 2 more. But I want to show how many in all, so I'm going to put a circle around it to show that's how many I have in all. I could also be writing a number sentence to show how many in all. So I could say 3 plus 2 equals 5. Boys and girls, those 2 show me how many in all. I want you to pause this video and I want you to complete your page to show me how many you have in all. All right, boys and girls, we have one more page to complete today. So we're going to do a few more taking away problems. This time, I want you to get out 7 objects. I want you to put 7 objects on your 10 frame. All right, guys, I have my 7 objects. Do you have your 7 objects? Awesome job. So we're going to be writing some number sentences. So the first time, I want you to write a number sentence to show that you took 2 away. So let's take 2 away. Now what are we going to write as our number sentence? You're right, we would write 7, take away 2, these are the ones we took away, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Write that number sentence. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Ooh, let's put our objects back on. Now we're going to do another takeaway. This time, we're going to take away 3 objects, 3 of our counters. 1, 2, 3. And let's write our number sentence. How many did we start with? 7. How many did we take away? 3. And how many are left? You're right, we have 4 objects left. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Awesome job. Nice work, boys and girls. Nice job. Sorry I froze there for a minute. Nice job, boys and girls, doing such an awesome job with math today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.